Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MKC channel. Today we got lots of parts to put on our 2JZ Lexus GS300, and we're gonna start with auxiliary belt tensioner. Then we will follow with a new alternator, and if I'm brave enough I will even swap the pulley on it. Okay, so without further ado, let's do that. So we got our new pulley, just nice and quiet. Here's the old pulley. Sound like this. It's like a fortune wheel, you know? So let's get that. Where's my Uga Uga? Arma?
What?
Where's my Uga Uga?
Which Uber?
Oh, it's held by 3 12mm bolts, which we will reuse. And let's take this, let's align it. Come on. Okay. Back. Just catch the thread on each of them. Let's just start with the top one. Top one should be the first. Okay. Right? We've got it. So we found the torque spec at Toyota documentations, and it's supposed to be 21 Newton meters. Okay. Don't. Okay. Finger crossed. It was the correct document. Yep. Be good. Be good. Okay, so that's one tensioner in. Let's do the alternator. Okay, so the plan is to take this pulley and put it here, because this alternator doesn't have the clutch setup thing, like the overcharge function. It should be just simple pulley. So I will try, never done it, I will try to hold it with the auxiliary belt, and we just go Uga Uga, and it worked. Okay, let's see. Alright, that's good. How this one looks, exactly the same. Let's do Uga Uga back on. Okay, let's catch the thread nicely. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. That's one replace pulley. Spins still? Yeah, it spins the same way. I can keep this one for later on when this one give out. Okay, let's proceed and put it in. Okay. Pretty, huh? Okay. We'll cut the seal. Thank you very much. And let's not hit my camera. And it should be just question of sliding on. Here is the bracket for whatever that is. Yeah, not sure what the bracket is like that, but it was like that in front. Give me a manage big, long one, longer one, the biggest you go. Thank you. Okay, let's bring it back in spot where it should be. Careful. Honestly, I'm not sure if it should be out or outside or inside, but well, before it was outside and I did knock it back in thinking that should be inside, but now when I'm looking at it, I don't think so anymore, because otherwise I would be not able to put that alternator on. Okay, swing that away. Where's my alternator? Okay. Oh, come on, buddy. Just don't drop it. Don't drop it more. Don't drop it. Okay. Okay. Let's slide on. Where I put those? Yeah, here. Some on the bottom goes like this, and on top goes this. Okay, let's in. Give us a spray, a little bit of spray that. Not here. Okay. Let's hope it was the alternator, it wasn't anything else. But I did measurements between fuses and 120 amp fuse between alternator and battery, and seems all good. Okay, so that was either 12 or 14, I'm not sure now. 14. Okay, that's alternator in. Now we will connect the voltage regulator. Okay. And this dude. And then hit it. This goes in a slot and it starts running. So how does this? Goes like that. Okay. Tie that one up. Let's hold it inside. Okay, let's look at the efficient connection. Now, so we have that connected, we have that, but it's all back. I have disconnected the MAF sensor, and I'm not sure if I want to start it without it, but I don't want to be putting all airbox and everything back on the spot just yet, if I don't know if it's charging. Well, talking about on Monday. So now we need to follow diagram, which is here on the car. Yeah, this one. We need to follow that to route the belt into it. And it goes under the alternator over the water pump. Okay. So now it's just question connecting the battery back. And didn't record the shit, obviously, because I was zooming on that. Never mind. So now it's just the question. We have the tensioner belt back on. We have the swap pulleys, and it's a question to connect the battery back on the car. And let's see if it charges. So let's see if my battery is still charged actually. Yeah, that's another thing. But with these two JZs, especially with Lexus 300s, when you disconnect the battery, you need to put your key in the ignition and leave it at least 5 minutes on. And I'll be waiting. I just realized we actually need to put the MAF sensor back on and the circle, because it will not start without it. Probably. I don't know. Don't want to mess it up. So let's put it back on. Not sure what is that loud sound, but I think it's like a injectors prepping or something, because it was long time off. But don't quote me on that, I don't know. We'll see what happened when I started. Okay. You need them both and not what was here. Yes, big go-go. I'm not sure what's that annoying sound though. Let's keep this one. Okay, maybe we'll try to turn the key over. We'll not put the snorkel on it. Nothing about it does the sound. That is the battery charger. Let's see if we get any crank from it. 8. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Let's have a look on voltage. 13.9, 14. Okay, be charging. But my idler is somehow rough, but I think maybe because I have no petrol. Yep, we're not even overcharging. We good. Okay, start raining here. Let's button up. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in next UJZ videos.